Hello everybody, today we are in our studio and today is on a review are already finished Ferrari D50 Ferrari D50 1956, and this Ferrari I've been building for 3 days. It was been quite challenging project, but I managed to do it. So I'm gonna show you. I think it's Lancia Delta from 1956. That's all step by step I've been doing all these models. This review how I've been building this model is gonna be in the next video. For today I'm just gonna show what I make it. So all these parts was been here, and here is the model. It's not quite finished yet, because this person who sold for me this model, he promised me that it's gonna be absolutely everything inside, but only at the end I find out that missing a windscreen. So this windscreen I will gonna need to cut out from the right thickness plastic and attach it at the end. And as well, this holder I will gonna after paint it in red to don't put color on a glass when I'm gonna apply it a glass. So obviously I'm gonna put back lid. Yep, so it's like that. Here it is, Lancia Delta. From CMC I always wanted to get this model, because from CMC these models are extremely expensive, and I get it, this beauty, for quite cheap. And this is a part 118, this is 120 scale, a wee bit smaller, but this model is perfectly gonna fit for Ferrari Transporter. So obviously this car model is going for Ferrari Transporter. That's how it looks from the sides. Here is a real spoke wheels. They are turning. Front as well turning. Both in both sides, both directions. Inside you can have a look when I've been applying grill. I put a real mesh inside, apart plastic. Here engine, all engine parts was being painted. This was being drilled holes inside to will be looking like a real mesh, because this was being just a blank plastic. That's how it's looking on the bottom. And inside you will gonna see in my next video when I'm gonna edit it, because this video is quite long, so I'm gonna need to edit it and upload it later on. So for today was been review for Lancia Delta Ferrari D50. What you showing me there? Decals. She, my fiance, remind me, cause still must be applied these decals. This for front, all these badges, all this, everything supposed to be applied on this car model. So today was been review only how looking car model in overall. So stay tuned to our new videos. In the future is gonna be next, my project is Ferrari 256 from 1956 as well, and I have a lot more models to build. I have 5 more kits like that. So for today we are done. See you in the next videos. Subscribe to our channel. Have a good day and bye bye.